go now?
Yeah.
Why are we very private?
Yeah.
We don't put everything on, like, I think we are more open now.
Hello! Good morning, my day. Ayan, ang Family Ritzma. We are going to IKEA na para bumili ng mga boxes dito, mga inday, para sa mga staff ni Savi at ni kaming Dudong Inday Gamay. So, ito, ano ko siya, isa-segregate ko na siya according to toys. Kasi nagkahalo-halo na yan. So, segregate ko na muna. And, ayan, may dala-dala si Dudong, mga Inday. So, yan yung mga nabili namin. Actually, hindi ko alam na yung mga nabili last year, pwede pang ibalik. So, but it's not sure that they will still. So, ayun. Last year pa yan hindi nagamit, naka-box pa, intact pa. So, ito try namin ibalik. Pero yung mga binalik namin dati, nabalik naman siya, mga Inday. Loud. So, you can
Can we go now?
Yeah. Ayan na naman si Dudong. Binubuli na naman ako. So far naman, yung mga binabalik namin ng mga ilang months na ano dito na hindi nagamit, natatanggap naman nila, mga Inday. So, I hope this time, ganun pa din. And, ayan, see you later, mga Inday, Dudong. I hope we're like this,
Like what?
Like this, happy.
Happy? I'm not always happy.
No, I mean, we don't really have big problems, big...
Yeah, you don't like fighting, I don't like fighting. So.
Yeah,
And
so that's important.
I do
my
everything
Inday.
to pretend to get you angry. Yeah.
What? You get what?
Preventive. You know, be nice. Say nice things.
Parang sinasabi niya ako yung mahilig sa away. It's like, I'm the one who is into fighting.
You're not. Nah, you're so sweet.
Mga Inday.
We're both not fighting.
So siguro pareho kami ng personality.
But I think most Filipino are not really.
Yeah, most. I think mga Pinay, so hindi tayo ganun ka ano. We don't like toxic relationship.
Is it boring? Sabi, the conversation?
Sabi, hi, boring naman ito. So, ayan, mga Inday, hindi yun yung ano ko talaga, na ano lang, napag-usapan lang namin. Ayan, we have...
Yeah,
Gosh.
mama. Sorry, mama. Sweet, mama.
Nakakaano naman to si Dudong. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, sis Liza Bacho. I hope I pronounce your last name correctly. So, she's also a Waray. She's from Tacloban, love. She's a new subscriber.
Okay, nice.
Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, sis Liza. She has a question. She wanted to ask if, ayan, in Tagalog muna, ask ko lang, bakit napaka-private ng mga Dutch guy? So, she is in a relationship with a Dutchman right now. And
Good choice.
good choice.
Yes,
So
you
in
did
English,
really, really good. I can tell you that. Okay, the start is good of the question. Yeah.
so yung question
How to
niya,
please your that's
no, wait, listen first.
Let him watch football.
Hindi siya nakikinig, mga Inday. He's not listening. So sabi niya, I just want to ask why the Dutch men are very private. Maybe her Dutchman is a private person.
What do you mean private?
Private, maybe. Wait. I will explain first,
Yeah,
sis
not
Lisa. Dudong has a Facebook but doesn't have a profile picture and doesn't have friends. So on Facebook, love, on
yeah.
Facebook, but he has many friends in real life. But he is just using the Facebook account
Good friends.
to what is that? For your hobbies.
Yeah.
Like he click on the pages, what he likes, like the birds, hiking, you know? So yun, private siya sa ganun. Private siya in social media, mga Inday. So kaya that's why he is confused. What do you mean by private? First.
I don't get it. What does it mean?
Yeah.
Why are we very private?
Yeah, why are Dutch man? Maybe his man is a private person. So, ayan, di ko paano ba sis Lisa? Private in the sense of social media. So, I can answer that. Dutch man, you don't really like...
We don't put everything on like this. The vlogging is also for us already like,
Yeah.
tricky. You don't show everything in your life.
Yes. So, that's... Isa yun sa pagka-private ng mga Dutch. They don't really, and you are just supporting me, right? So, he has no choice, mga Inday. He just
I was worried about him, you know. son? Does he like it when he gets older?
Love, but it's for the memories, when he's
Yeah.
oh look, and when he has a girlfriend, oh you're so cute, there's a baby like that.
Yeah, but sometimes things also go wrong on the internet.
Yeah, but it's not really all love.
No.
Ayun tuloy na ano ako. So in the sense of social media, mga Inday, Dutch people are private with that. Pero other
We're not
than
sure
that,
if she means social media.
yeah, kasi
Your interpretation.
she didn't
Maybe
walang
just
specific,
talk about
mga
his
Inday.
feelings.
So in feelings, what do you, how can you,
I think we are more open than
mga Inday.
you in talking about feelings.
Mga Inday, with regards to feelings, okay, so social media, mostly mga Pinay mahilig, so we are really get into social media really,
Yeah.
Filipinos. So but as what he said, mga Inday, when it comes to feelings, he is more open. Well, it's true, mga Inday, kasi minsan tumatahimik lang ako, minsan I just keep quiet and he didn't know.
I know,
What's
but
the
just talk about
reason?
it.
And when you say open, he wanted to talk about it. Even siya, if may kung ano mang nararamdaman niya, he right away talk to me kung ano mang mga problema, mga yan. Pero ako minsan sinasarili ko. So, ayan, mas open sila sa ganun. So,
Nou, ben benieuwd.
yes, andito na kami sa IKEA, mga Inday. And ayan, i-ano mo na lang next time, Sis Lisa, kung ano yung private sa social media ba. So, ayun, nasagot namin. And with regards sa feeling, nasagot niya din. So, ayan, kita-kits ulit mamaya. So, malapit na kaming bumaba. Ayan, malapit na kami sa parking area ng IKEA.
Ben benieuwd. Oh, kan je je voorstellen? Ja.
So, we're looking for mapagpaparkingan, mga Inday. Ay, inaantay namin si Dudong. So, ayan, iniwan lang kami muna. Naiwan niya yung cellphone niya. Andun yung ayan, information. Andun sa cellphone niya. Nasa car. So, kaya ayan, binalikan niya. And kami, dito kami muna. Ni Sabi. Say hi, Sabi, Sabi. Ah, there is Papa. Ayan na si Papa. 1.5. They only have these colors, huh?
Een paar van deze op moeten. Die doen. Deze en een paar van die.
Yeah.
8 van deze voor de toys. En dan 4 van die.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, wow, Lazaw, ikat. Sirain. Yeah, I cannot see, love. Oh, it's 9. No, it's 10.
Vind je die leuk?
Yeah, Jis, mga Inday, Jis. Yeah, 10 year. Wow. Maar de app, blijf hier, hè? Jij hebt al een app.
Die heb je al thuis.
Okay. Come here. Here now. Yay. Inday, gipanggutom me. So, ayan, nag-order si Dudong doon. Hotdog sandwich. Here?
Buiten opeten.
Buiten. Pauwi na kami and nakatulog sa likod si Dudong Gamay. And ayun nga pala, update sa mga ibinabalik namin. Isa yung nabalik, pero yung mahaba, yung sa salamin siya sa toilet. Ayan, hindi siya na maibalik. Kasi nga, sa dating ano pa yun sa dating bahay pa namin yun, doon sana namin ikakabit sa toilet na mirror. Kaso di ba nabenta, tapos parang inano na lang namin. Hanggang sa nakalimutan siya, tapos nung nag-ayos siya sa storage area namin, one time nakita niya yun, andun pa, naka-intact pa. So ayun, hindi na, kasi it's like 1 year, more than a year already, love, the mirror, that's why they didn't.
Ja, ja.
So, yun. Mga Inday. And ayan, pauwi na kami. Maya-maya uli kasi matutulog kami pare-pareho. Si Savi tulog na, si Dudong inaantok. Ako din inaantok ako. And see you later.
Soon after.
Mga Inday, kagigising lang namin tatlo. And aburido si Dudong. Mga Inday, yung nakuha namin, akala namin yung, yung dekuryente na. Hindi pala siya. Come here. Yeah, like that. Alam nyo, ang daming ganito na ni Dudong, gamay. Ang dami na niyang mga ganito. Kaya, akala talaga namin yung movable to. Wait, ano natin si Papa, ha? Yeah, Daisy, okay. Yeah, wait. So, update. Ayan, jacket ko. Ito pa lang yung naano namin, kasi walang stock yung iba. Yung gusto namin is yung color parang brown, tsaka yung black. So, ayan. Dalawa to. Ayan, dalawa lang yung nabili namin. So, I want to talagang kinuha si Dudong yung naglagay. So, ayan. Ito dito i-vacant namin para sa books nila. So, lalagay kami ng books dito nila. Tapos, 4. Ayan, 5 black. 5 black. Tapos, 5 na yung brown na ganito yung color. If nakita nyo sa video kanina, yung ganito yung color. Aburido si Dudong gamay. So, moody yung niya. You see? Kijk maar de foto.
Maar bedankt voor de informatie.
The photo says, deze is onder de broek. Ja, maar kijken. Kijken. See, de broek is daar. En de zwarte ding is hier onder de broek.
We hebben een speeltuintje lopen.
Yung mga Inday. Awayan mo na naman si Mama. Ow. Sorry, hi guys. Check my ears, hi guys. Hi guys ears. Hi guys.
Zeg maar, hi guys.
Zeg maar. Hi guys. Nee ook. Nee ook. Mama ook. Nee. So, mga Inday. And, ayan. Tingnan nyo, from moody to happy. So, ayan, nakaupo lang ako at nagpapahinga. Hindi ako magluluto ng dinner for tonight. Kasi yung kakainin namin is yung tira namin kagabi. So, ayan. And si Savi, from time to time, naglalagay ako. Naubusan lang ako ng carrots. So, favorite din niya yung carrots. So, habang nanonood siya, naglalagay lang ako dyan. Tapos, binabalik-balikan lang niyang kainin. So, ito siya, bell pepper. Ayan, yung red. So, ayan, gusto din niya to. Sweet siya. Ayan, mga Inday. Masarap? Masarap. We need to reveal is the... Hindi ka ba? Binigyan na ako. Masarap. Bising sabi, Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo. Ha? Sabi Pinoy? Hindi pa rin siya totally mga Inday. Moody pa rin. Pinoy ka? Sakma, Pinoy. Pinoy, Sabi is Pinoy. Sabi is Pinoy. Ba yung Dutch? Sabi is Dutch? Sabi Pinoy. Yeah, you dance. Pinoy, Sabi ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Iba't iba ang Pinoy, huwag kang tatakot. Oy! Ipagmalaki mo. Papa? Ha? There's Papa?
Sorry.
Ha? Nay! Ayan si Papa. Nag-walking kasi siya. So, ayan, kararating lang niya. Sabi niya gusto ba daw namin sumama. Ay, naku. Sabi ko, ikaw na lang muna. So, and I put already. Maybe Straxy will not like.
Hey, nou toch?
Yeah, it's one whole bell pepper. It's one whole paprika. So, ayan mga inday. And, nga pala, update. Ayan, nakagawa na ako ng pattern ng para sa baby nest ko mga inday. So, cutting na lang at syempre may tela na ako tsaka yung pagtatahi. So, yun, I hope maging okay siya. And, hindi matuloy-tuloy ang camping namin nga pala mga inday kasi maulan dito, tapos minsan kagaya kanina maulan, tapos ngayon it's sunny uli. So, ayan, sino ba naman yung magkakagusto mag-camping? Yung gusto mga tao dito, nagka-camping sila, yung tirik ang araw mga inday. So, kaya wala. So, yung ginagawa namin ngayon is, ang ingay. Is kinukumpleto namin yung mga gamit na, ayan, pwede namin ilagay sa caravan. Actually, yung caravan namin nasa doon na sa labas sa garahian. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga prepare. Actually, parang simple lang tingnan yung mga nagka-caravan, pero alam niyo mga inday, bonggang preparation din yan sila. Ayan o. Ayan, pasintabi. Medyo makalat pa. So, ito yung mga nilalagay namin yung mga stocks. Ayan. So, ayan, ito na yung mga gamit pang, ayan, sa caravan. So, like for example, ito, ayan, for like medication, mga, ayan, panghugas ng sabon, vitamins, andito na, lahat shampoo. So, ayan, nire-ready namin. So, medyo ganun siya, per box siya ngayon. Tapos yung mga damit ni Wibe, andito na nga yung damit ni Wibe, yung damit namin ni Safi, wala pa. Tapos, if ever, mag-go na kami, so ilalagay, nakabox lang yan siya dun. Tapos, if kung, ayan, mag-stay na kami kung saan kami mag-i-stay. Ayan, inilalagay ko na siya, ina-assemble ko na siya sa kanya-kanyang cabinet. So, may cabinet sa loob ng caravan. And, ayun din, so may pinaka-kitchen niya. Pinaka-kitchen. So, ano naman, lababo, tapos yung taas may cabinet, may mga cabinet. So, then, inilalagay ko na siya. Tapos, ito kasi, ito mga box na to, napo-fold siya. So, parang, ayan, tinatabi namin sa gilid. So, ganun mga inday ang, ano na, basta, pag umaraw at nag-picnic kami, or nag-camping kami, and itutur ko ulit kayo sa mga, ayan, bago naming subscriber na hindi nakita yung mga, yung camping life namin dati. Ito na si Kulit. Uy! Naka na, Papa. Papa can oak. Oh my God. Ayan. Gusto niyang palitan yung channel sa TV. Pwede naman si Papa, si Mama lang daw. And have you could Vandalin? Lekker?
Ja, dat is lekker. Mooi.
His favorite walking.
You are my favorite.
Second walking?
Second walking.
Why are you so sweet? It's like you're not relieved when I'm here. Ano ba yun? It's like saying positive and then suddenly binabawi.
From the stress.
Stress ka? You stressed?
Sorry, love. Sorry. Don't hit me. Don't shout at me.
Mga inday, ang mga waray, I'm gonna explain to you. You know, in the Philippines, there are many islands, and the island I live is, we speak waray, our dialect is waray, and we had really a loud voice.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, sometimes.
You too.
Sometimes, guys, mga inday, we are just talking, and my voice is loud, and he's like, are you angry?
Maybe it happened once.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Once lang daw. So, hindi naman pala. Ayan, katatapos lang namin mag-dinner mga inday. And ayun, before namin i-end yung vlog namin for today, magsha-shoutout kami sandali. So, ayan, kanya-kanya kaming saan ba si Dudong? Ayan si Dudong. Tapos si Dudong gamay. Ayan, nakaupo sa may lapag. So, ayan, unahin natin i-shoutout yung pinaka-latest na nag-comment. So, shoutout kay It's Me Lebana. Ayan, sis Annabelle. Ayan, she's also a vlogger here in Netherlands. Shoutout sis Jures, tama ba sis? Jures M. Shoutout sa'yo. Renamay Castronevo, shoutout. Si Luffy's channel, shoutout, also a vlogger. si Liza Agner, ayan, new subscriber namin. And, ayan, nasagot namin kanina bakit nga ba private ang mga Dutch. And, ayaw na satisfied ka. Hindi namin alam kasi walang specific kung saan sila naging privado. So, ayan, Melissa de Dios, shout out. Ikat's vlog, of course, may Kainday, Ikat, and isama na din natin si Kainday Yen, and yung brother niya na si Maarting Maldito. Jen San, hello sis. Ayan, ay nanonood-nood lang siya sa vlog namin pero nakatira siya dito sa Netherlands. Cherry de los Santos Marfe. Ayan. Sabi ni Sis Cherry, yay, Daival, better late than never yung challenge na seduce your husband, Daya. Aabangan namin yan for the future vlog mo. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko di ko kaya mga Inday. Kaya nga, nakalimutan ko yung package na yun eh. Kasi, feeling ko talagang hindi ko kaya. Kaya winala ko na sa isip ko. Sis Alicia Branya, shoutout. Marlene Villanueva, Adela Destajo, Girls World, ayan, si It's Yen Vlogs. Benita Castro Mayor, shoutout, new subscriber daw namin from Concepcion, Tarlac, Philippines. Angie Bigino, shoutout sis. Susan Samonton Person, Joy Bisaya Vlog, Joyce Berntsen, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, shoutout sa inyo. Ayan, sa mag-ina. Lorna Mon, shoutout. Franco Quizon, hello po, shoutout. Unal Ailesi, medyo sikat na to sila, shoutout sis. Si Anggis Life, shoutout. Laagang Surang, Roberto De La Rosa, ayan, new subscriber namin. Si Phil British Family Vlogs, Sis Jen, shoutout. Pinay Moms Vlogs, si Star, shoutout, also vlogger here in the Netherlands. Isama natin si Sis Vina, They Call Me Vina ang channel nila, at si Sis Kin, Euron and Kin. Si Mike and Judith Las Vegas, ayan yung sexy nating vlogger. Si It's Pasaway Fambam, shout out. Evelyn Buena, ayan, bago ko makalimutan, si Sis Nisa, si Sis Tess, tsaka si Sis Nanette, shout out sa inyo. Sis Emelda Ben Shushan, hello sis, shout out. Nit Ikaya, ayan, shout out. Sis Nit, Ninita Mendez, si Sis, ayan, si Sis Mira Mira, Joy MGM, sino pa ba? Gemma Journey, Arfam Vlogs in Nepal, shoutout sis. Vain Labianan, Mamalan New York, Eileen Calivola, may sikat tayo mga Inday, shoutout sis Eileen, Day Eileen, Filipina Yordanova, Alicia Branya, I think nasabi ko na no. Sis Norma Hernandez, Sis Jennifer Fernandez, and si Sis Alvi Santos. So, shoutout sa inyo lahat, and hanggang dito na lang po yung vlog namin. Thank you for watching po. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and pakihit na din po yung notification bell para if ever may mga bagong video kami, ma-notify kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Bye! Ingat po kayo lagi. Ayan, wala sumasagot sa kanila. Bye, mga Inday.